Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today our topic is related to histology, identification points of thymus for histology practical and slide. There are 6 identification point of thymus. Number 1, Hassel's corpuscle is present. Number 2, medulla is lightly stained. Number 3, stellate shaped cell which is epithelio-reticular cells. Number 4, characteristics lobules with cortex and medulla. Number 5, no limb sinuses. And number 6, there is complete and incomplete septa. These complete and incomplete septa make lobe and lobules. These are the 6 identification points of thymus for histology practical and slide. I already upload slide detailed explanation video of thymus on my YouTube channel. Go and watch that video, and now I will upload these identification points also. On my YouTube channel you can find general histology, special histology, slide detailed explanation video and identification points of each video. If you like my videos, press the like button and share these videos with your friends. If you're new to my channel, subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button and also press the bell icon in order to you receive my each new video notification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.